Hello my people, how una dey? I greet the house so una do well my people. As una take dey help me take dey share the audio, as una take dey comment, like, God go bless you now. My brothers and sisters, this one wey I carry come today na war for wire road o. Nothing wey person no go see. All these people of yahoo 419 people. This video, maybe some of una don't still see. I'll put the full video. Me una still listening to wetin this our sister they talk about. May I just tell una little of the video wetin happen. Then I'll put the full one. So he say his sister, because na his sister it happened to not be direct to her. He say his sister na all this catering, all these people where they cook. If you want to do marriage, if you want to do birthday, anything where you want to do, then they there for you. They will follow you, make the food. He says so. They can't contact her now. Somebody contact her, and the person contact her now. She can, you know, she can't go meet the person where want to do this. Say na the boy say na abroad now for come. Say he want to do his father burial. So come tell her say okay. See as we take they do everything. How much you go pay everything? So make them go buy food something. So he say they can't carry cab. The cab they carry and they up and down anywhere where they want go. You know now when you carry cab now, when you finish, then you pay and everything. Why Sunday you go fair say make you fair give them money. It depends on person where you see. He said they can't go whether I think na Lagos streets or be something like that where they buy all this full stock. Say that they buy something for them. Say next the content they can't tell the boy can't tell and say make them the price wetin dem want buy. He said the boy still there. Can't say person use body take touch am for where he stand put. It be like say he cassava don't come out. He said then the boy can't tell them say more than the price for that. Make you fair carry all this rice and all year go inside car, make go check it body whether the sun is still. He said the boy can't carry the load go inside car. He said they can't they wait time for where they buy something. The boy not agree come. He said then they can't say okay, make they go look for the boy whether it's still there inside car, because the driver there with that girl, that lady where they cook. He said when they reach where car there now, they don't see anything for boot. They don't see the boy. Now they begin come they call. They can't call the phone not they go in off. So now they can say what it can they happen? Why they not feel get the boy now? Because now inside car he say one go keep load put. He said the call reach, they not greasy the boy, or the boy not gree answer phone door off. Say they will come they worry say what it can they happen? They don't know say na 419. Now they jam. That one don't carry rice, everything don't carry wrong. My brothers and sisters. So she can't even the talk say the girlfriend of the boy can't say she don't know where the boy they stay. My people, if una listen to the audio because the video. As me they listen now because they talk say what of about the girlfriend who stay with them. Now that one I go tell them where it dey because you know if you just carry rice and tomatoes everything carry come out with waiting they want to cook carry run come out like that. The thing tire me, my brothers and sisters. And I call they pick can for inside. Person will come for abroad. He go just say come for abroad. He go follow you and go buy food. He get as he be. Normally they know they go because we know the person where they for abroad. They don't want too much stress because he want to do burial. He go find somebody where go give the money, where go stay there, then buy the something, bring and come. Not be you where you come from abroad because you come the stress for where you want to go see your family, when you want to go see your father, everything, and they want to do this one. You know they go inside markets. They follow people where want to buy food up and down. It they very get as it be. If you follow, maybe you follow your person where you trust, like your family where want to go buy the food. Now you will follow. Not be say you just follow person where want to cook the food. Now you go they follow. They go say we see what we want to buy. My brothers and sisters, Mona, be careful. That one now, don't carry rice, don't carry groundnut tell you everything where they buy, it carry wrong. Especially those one where they have. Make them be careful. Because if it, like say, they said even the phone, everything carry wrong. I will put the video, Mona listening to now, and I'll do what I buy by my people.
Hello, everybody. I greet everybody in the house. I bring some kind message come for now. Waiting, I see yesterday still shock me. The thing surprised me. A different way now these people say they manipulate. So my sister, where they do POS for my shop. So yesterday I go make my hair. Now they tell me say they bring a contract for now. Say you want follow them go market, go buy the things where you want to cook because na catering school now that my sister go. I say say okay, now me say no problem. The person come, use motor to take carry and come out. They can't go Mission Road. He said when they reach Mission Road, say they buy groundnut oil 4 gallons, 25 liters. Then he buy 4 bags of rice. He do transfer, give them for Mission Road. He said so. He said he get when he fed teach and work. Now he connect am to this boy. He said the boy come from abroad. Say his papa die. According to the story, say his papa die. Say he want to do his papa burial. So may this his girlfriend find person where sabi dey cook. Now he can't connect am with my sister. So now my sister can say no problem. Now my sister take follow they go market. See when they come reach market now they call they buy something. So lucky he POS bag and the money he keep am. Now be the God way just save am. He keep am for store before she come on. Now lay phone now she carry. He said so say when they come reach there market. He say he can't give the girl where he connect am to this boy where papa die so. He can't give am his phone, may he help am hold am. He say he can't give am the phone. He say they don't buy things finish. Even the motor where even carry them, the man na cab. Now the boy carry my sister, no be the boy motor. So now my brother and my sister, mona hear story for his side story. This life is full of wickedness. He said, my sister say he can't give the girl the phone. He said then they don't buy things finish. Then the boy cut and say make they go price spices. Say na 2 cow of meat, na 2 cow, na 1 key. So spices where you go consider where you go carry the 2 cow, make that the price them. He said so they can the price them. He said so much. I said now the boy say person just use body to hit am, which means the boy when papa die we want do better when they follow go market. Say person just use body to hit am for market, which is for Mission Road. Say you be like say oh your body just dey shake. Maybe they don't use magic take carry a prick come out, the prick don't disappear. He want go inside motor, that the motor where he carry, meaning the cabman motor, make it go check his body well. Meanwhile, make the cabman, my sister plus that his girlfriend, make that they price the spices. Making use wheelbarrow, take carry the bag of rice and the groundnut oils. Make it carry and go inside motor. He can't ask the cabman, say, cabman, oh, according to the story when my sister tell me yesterday, because the thing weak me. Cabman, should be your boot open. Then the cabman say yes, he open. Meaning they pack their motor for Urok Porter or for Ring Road. He said so. He said now they come, the boy can't come out. They use 2 wheelbarrow to carry the groundnut oil and the 4 bag of rice, the 4 bag of the 4 gallon of groundnut oil. So now so they can't say the boy can't come out. He said so when they can't reach there, they wait. It don't pass 30 minutes, don't pass 40 minutes. Almost going to 1 hour. So now the boy, now the cabman say, this boy no come again. And what they come they happen? We say the number where he give the cabman. He said so the cabman he said they call the boy number now busy. Now the cabman say me no worry, may he go inside car, may go look what they happen. As the boy reach there, the boy not see the boy when papa die. He not put the bag of rice for inside motor. Say Jesus. Now he tell him go meet my sister for inside market. Say mona come oh. The boy no put the rice for inside motor. It's like the boy don't come out. He say now big. Now he contact the girl say when I have phone, may they take call the boy. The next thing, my sister said the boy say the phone he give the boy my sister phone plus the girlfriend phone. The boy add down carry and come out with the 4 bag of rice with the groundnut oil. The boy disappear for market. The alert where the transfer where do give them for market all fake. Now my sister take on yesterday. I beg brothers, sisters, all this 419 now different things that they manipulate. They go follow. They tell you now where they carry contract. They go carry my sister for shop. Or tell me Makpuro no sugbiyan. You no go knock for their door. Udoviri. My sister phone us. They we call the number reach up till now. Phone switch off. We not see phone again. Nothing. I beg, Mona help me share this video because this thing will come the happen because many people they don't want to use me. If I see all those young boys when they go just naked begin they mad, I know they sorry for them because now what they shoe can't put. Imagine all those people when you follow bag 4 bag of rice, 4 gallon of groundnut oil now. When you do fake alert, my sister say they run for market because all those people for whole day. I beg, may we wise may we wise because the way they content they do now. If they don't follow this outcome, they go follow this outcome. My brother, my sister, for the way they carry contract, Mona they open na hair where. Me not come be like say the contract where you go carry now, you will come lost join because my sister now my asset of 150,000. It is no, you don't see phone again. He come my store yesterday, I come the pity and say my sister says even the girl will even connect her, the two of them, the boy just I know me no know the thing say happen. When my sister come they give the story, I beg. I beg my brother, my sister, all those who know whether they do transfer, they give. In fact, find the details of the alert. Make sure say you see her. Make sure say you see the alert before the person come out. Make sure you hear. Or no, your kukuma collect alert. You say no, give me my money for cash. I need my money. I need that for my hand. I beg, be wise. Be wise because the thing shocked me since yesterday. I not sleep. The thing shocked me because the way the boy take doing, I know God of Israel. I beg God this for one and I did that they draw the map before they come up for us. Imagine the cabman way carry for 7 o'clock in the morning. That boy said the cabman said first for carrying. Come reach that evening. The cabman not pay. My sister for he carry. My girlfriend for he carry. Join her. Plus the rice, groundnut oil. Till today we don't see the boy again. Nowhere to find the boy go. The girl will connect my sister say no the boy ask. Boy where you the friend? Boy where you the friend? You say you don't know the boy ask. Now you can't carry my sister follow body join her. Now na phone now you don't see her. But what I tell thank God say my sister not carry a POS bag. He not carry a bag of money. As soon as he carry the bag of money, maybe everything go for lost. But I know say one day for the thief. 1 day for the owner. You think say you don't carry the thing, you they happy they go. But you will wait. My God go answer. That boy, anywhere you day, you go see what go happen to you. Now madness they'll tell no you. I beg brother, sister, I'm gonna share this video. I beg. They use God Almighty, they beg una. All these 419, they're not too far from us. They're not too far from Muna. They're close. Muna wise, Muna open eye. I beg my brother, my sister. Now me, your daughter. Now me, your sister. Now me, your friend. Madali Osadolo Jimo, a.k.a. the light of the world. Now I can give you this information. Waiting, I see yesterday, 5 o'clock.